You can't unsee this. Oh! Oh, this is so weird. Oh, that's a black eye. And it has a root. Oh, it looks like a volcano erupted. Oh my God, this is so nasty. Hey, beautiful people. Today we're doing a pretty disgusting video. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I saw this on YouTube. A ton of YouTubers have done it. A ton of Reddit users have done it. It's been around for a few years now where people take a microscope and look at all the nasty shit in their skin under 1,000 times microscope. So you guys thought a 5 times mirror was bad. You ain't seen nothing yet. This is really disgusting. So we're gonna start with different parts of my face. As you can see, I am a little bruised up from our last video we did with Dr. Marta.
No more, please. No more? No more. I can't do it anymore.
This one was pretty bad, so we're gonna check out and see how that looks under a microscope. I will tell you guys, I take very good care of my skin. I feel like my skin should look amazing under this microscope. But again, this is 1,000 times that we're zooming in, so we really don't know if this is gonna be a good friend of mine. We're gonna do it on the nose first because that apparently is the nastiest place. Oh, no way. So gross. Oh, that's my nose. It was disgusting. And what is up with all the hairs? Like, I look like a cactus that's infected. So we should check out one of these bruises. I have this like pretty crazy bruise right here. What's that random little straggly hair? This looks like a hair is growing inside my skin and it's like free, but it's like caught in the skin tissue. Let's check this bruise. Oh my God, wait, what is that? This looks disgusting. This is probably the most disgusting thing that anybody's ever looked at under the microscope. And why am I growing hairs under my eyes? That's what kind of hairy person I am, guys. I don't think those are blackheads. I think that's like skin irritation from like all the alcohol. I have like eczema on my scalp, like in the front area. So let's see how it looks. So this is my scalp, which looks better than my face, and I have eczema there. Oh, your scalp actually looks just like skin. Whoa, I have all these new hairs, probably because I'm taking a bunch of hair vitamins right now. They're like little tiny hairs. They're like trying to survive. It looks like I have glitter in my scalp too. Whoa, your hair looks crazy. It looks like spaghetti, like brown spaghetti. Should we check out a stretch mark? I got a lot of stretch marks, guys. I gave birth to a beautiful girl. Let's see how stretch marks look. Oh, it's like ripped skin. Yeah, literally just look like ripped skin. I got really crazy stretch marks from being pregnant. I have a mole on my leg. Should I look at that one? Probably looks disgusting. Oh, this is so weird. Stacy, come here. Do you want to see your skin under 1,000 times microscope? Makeup with shimmer looks insane. Okay. Oh my God, I can already see the peach fuzz.
I have a lot of peach.
Oh! Wait, you have to see mine. Mine was disgusting. Yours doesn't even look
Oh,
that bad.
it's so shimmery.
Yeah.
Oh!
Wait, Stacy doesn't even look bad. Wait, look at this in my nose.
Oh, isn't it funny? Wait, he's got all makeup on now.
You got little sun damage on your chest. Let's check it out. How come you don't have sun damage on your face? That's a sunspot.
Ew, that's disgusting. Look how hairy my chest
Look
is.
at you.
I'm like a man.
You want to see me? Oh, I look tired.
You don't have any hair.
No, look. What are you talking about? There's a big ass black hair there. It's like I'm growing pubic hairs from my chest. Oh, look at that. I am growing pubic hairs from my chest. Wait, where's that little guy?
Oh my God, this is so funny.
She just came in to check on things. We got 2 different extracting products. I'm gonna see what we're gonna use. We're either gonna use this Miniso deep cleaning pore strip, which I've used before and it's amazing, or we're gonna use, maybe we'll use both, the Cheryl black mask, one of those like carbon charcoal masks that you use that actually exfoliates your skin. So we're gonna use both. We're gonna steam first. I got this little steamer off of Amazon. Oh, there we go. Sorry, that's what it feels like. What's wrong with me? I hang out with Nora way too much. I am going to use the Miniso strip, not the BRUISE strip, because personally those have been stronger for me. It smells a little bit like glue. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick this on. Yeah, my nose is really wet, so. Oh, this stinks so bad. It smells like really bad glue. It doesn't smell like good glue. It smells like the glue that you get like from those really like, you know, those products that are like made in like bad China, not good China, because obviously there's good stuff made in China too. So now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put charcoal everywhere else. We're gonna see which one works better. I'm gonna pour some on this beauty blender dish. And now I'm gonna use a brush and I'm gonna start spreading it on the face. Oh, this is leaking. Okay, guys, I'm gonna tie my hair back now. This video is getting serious. So I'm gonna quickly try to dry up a little bit. This crap is not staying in my skin, guys. So my face is really, really tight right now. I can't actually move it. So we'll start first with the forehead. I'm gonna start trying to remove it. Okay. So we're taking a look at the skin afterwards. Yeah, it looks clean. I mean, my forehead wasn't that bad, so I don't really know if it made that much of a difference. No, didn't really do anything, actually. Guys, I basically just wasted 20 minutes of my life. These charcoal masks don't work. Oh, it definitely, I can feel it pulling off the hair. What is on this thing? Okay, I can see some shit on this. It's weird. Do you see? There's something. There you go. I think the craters are just my pores. But you can see some whiteheads here. Like it clearly was shaped around the pores, but it doesn't actually pull the pores. I'm using the Bioderma Micellar water, which is my favorite. Ew, the mask left a residue on my face. Okay guys, I don't recommend the mask. I don't recommend the mask at all. All right, so now we're gonna remove this strip. So I'm gonna start first from the outer corner. And we really steamed. I can feel it pulling. Woo! Man, this is full of shit. Did you take my skin, you son of a... Wait! Oh! Is that a long blackhead? Or is that a hair? It looks like my nose right now. Wait, here, look at that. What is that? Oh, that's a blackhead! And it has a root! Oh, it gets worse. Ah! That was in my nose. Wow. I don't even... Oh my god! This is the one! Oh god! Okay, Chris, never watch this video. So apparently this is very good for hair removal and blackhead removal. This shit works. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna show you the last thing because I think it's really important to see my skin right now. And you can see the way my skin looks there. It doesn't look great, but I'm gonna put some moisturizer. So we're gonna see what is the difference. You can see my skin afterwards just looks much more supple, much more, it looks healthier. And this is like initially when I put the moisturizer on. So afterwards it's gonna get better and better. You really do want to make sure that you take very good care of your skin. You guys saw what it looks like to get sun damage. It looks really, really crazy. This is definitely a little bit of an extreme situation. This is not even like you are seeing stuff even more than camera does. This is 1,000 times a microscope. We were seeing the hair that was going inside the skin. But I still think it's interesting. You can kind of see the damage that you're seeing so small and so microscopic that will definitely affect you later on. We're gonna do a lot more skin stuff moving forward. Let me know what type of videos you guys want to see for skin. And you know what? I am happy to bring this out so we can really see the difference before and after. So let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little gross, not for people who are squeamish. We hope you guys love this video and we'll see you guys next time. Love you guys so much.